Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Farah Betty Jeffrey and I'm from SMK Datuk Seri Maharaja Lela. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to The Wild. We are diving into Timescape by Robert Leporello. A masterpiece of speculative sci-fi, Timescape is the third installment in the Dreamhouse Key series by Leporello. A series known for merging the cozy familiarity of family dynamics with the existential terror of being lost in time. The books follow the Kim family, who move into a mysterious Victorian house in Pinedale, California, only to discover that it's no ordinary home. It's a portal, gateway, a vortex into different slices of time. In Timescape, the stakes are even higher. The Kim's mother is still missing, swallowed into the unknown by the house time shifting corridors. Brothers Sandy and David are relentless in their pursuit, plunging through epoch and civilization, trying to outmaneuver sinister force and unravel the secrets behind the home dark past. This isn't just a time travel story, it's a high octane through history itself. From ancient Rome to futuristic realms, the boys encounter mind-bending scenarios and they challenge their perception of good, evil, and what it means to be family. The narrative shifts gears with the precision of a Formula One engine, never lingering too long, never slowing down. At its core, Timescape is about family loyalty, courage, and the overwhelming burden of knowledge. It's a meditation on destiny versus choice, painted with the vivid brush strokes of speculative fiction. Leporello's prose is broad, punchy, and poetic. He doesn't waste words. Each sentence is calculated strike. His style is cinematic. You can feel the dust of ancient catacombs, hear the echo of a future war, and taste the adrenaline dripping from every page. There's a palpable urgency in his writing, matched only by the emotional depth he builds character. Xander and David aren't just two-dimensional protagonists. They are boys forced into crucible of impossible choice. Xander, the older brother, is impulsive, brave, and burdened by responsibility. David is the thinker, the one who questions everything. Their father, a man determined to reunite his family, even if it means losing his grip on Sanatai. Their interactions are raw and real. You feel the frustration, their hope, their quiet moments of despair. What makes Timescape exceptional is facing imagination and emotional resonance. It's not easy to juggle action, time theory, and emotional drama, but Leporello does it with the finesse of a literary acrobat. The time travel elements are never cheap gimmicks. They are deeply entwined with character growth and story development. It carries an emotional maturity that even adult readers will respect. Now, no book is without its critics. Some might argue that the relentless pace comes at the cost of quieter character development. If you're looking for long, reflective pause, you might feel winded by the action. Also, since this is the book 3, jumping in without reader, the first two can feel like being dropped in a thunderstorm without an umbrella. But trust me, it's getting so. So, should you read Timescape? Absolutely. If you want a book that blends pounding adventure, clever temporal puzzle, and heartfelt family drama, this is your golden ticket. Robert Leporello doesn't just write stories, he crafts odysseys. He doesn't just imagine time travel, he forces you to live it. One page at a time. In a world of recycled ideas, Timescape is a bold leap into the unknown. A breathless testament to the power of love, time, and the indomitable human spirit. So grab a copy, brace yourself, and step into the house if you dare. That's it for today's review for Timescape by Robert Liparulo. Thanks for watching.